Hi everyone, welcome to Super Hero's Kitchen. So long time no see. Okay. Today is the winter season. Outside so cold. So I make today for the tempura udon. Tempura and then udon. So both is popular for the good for the winter season. So I will show you how to make tempura udon. So make separately first. This is a tempura powder. I'm using for just start. Use a strainer. This for the makes a good for the lighter tempura. This is a kind of important part. Crisp tempura, and then like a snow powders. Okay. Then first one is use an egg. One piece egg and water. Water is a 200 milliliter. Use just mix the egg and the water. Okay. Then mix for the tempura powder. This I telling you for the 150 grams. Okay. Then don't mix harder. We got a gluten to the making the for the to starch. The glutinous is like not make the crispy tempura after the cooking. So in time I make the boil of udon noodle. It's a udon noodle made by the wheat powder. And then cooking direction said about 10 minutes, but I like a firm, like a hard noodle, so 8 minutes. Boiling water. Yeah, for the kids, and then maybe sometimes too long, and then cut half. The cooking more shorter, but I like these are hard noodles. So and then put in the water, and then you must do it to the this one because for the stick together. So we have to make a separately for the first 20 seconds, 30 seconds is important with these motions. Yeah, start again, 8 minutes. And then I make a tempura soup. This is a dashi broth, fish broth soup, 540 ml. Then 60 ml for the cooking wine. We call it midi. That's about. Then soy sauce, 60 ml. About. And then put it add salt, and then you can arrange to add more salt, and if you like salt. If you don't like not too salty, put add for the sugars. Okay, and then back to the cutting bowl. Yeah, just like a light this. Yeah. Okay. Then tempura, make for the lotus roots cutting. And then Japanese butter squash, and then broccoli, and then maitake mushroom. And maybe I prepare for the black tiger prawn. I peel off the skin and then cut it for the joint parts a little bit. And then I break for the joint parts for the ligament to the push. You can feel to just break it and then make a straight. After cooking, you can still keep it straight shape. If not cutting for the ligament like a joint parts, it's shrink like a bend it. So that's why for the against for the bend, I make cutting. That's why so like a tempura restaurants, tempura is always keep straight. Just a kind of like a hiding skill or technique. Okay. And then before, tempura is always we call it uchiko. Tempura powder around for the ingredients to put together. These are for the stick together for the tempura butter and then ingredients. Oops. Break it. Like a mushroom. The 8 minutes I cook everything for the next tempura. So quickly. Yeah, save time. Yeah, do not put too much. Okay. So looks like I let's make tempura. Yeah, just still keep it. Don't worry, this one is perfectly. You just still keep it for like this bowl. It's nice. So mushroom and water fruits. These are cooking slowly, so that's why. So I put here first. Yeah, it's right on time. Vegetables starting off for 150 degrees or 160 degrees. Starting for the cooking. If you have thermometers, and then you can put in there, and then you can check on for the tempura oil temperatures. This one for the top side are still raw, so that's why don't put out. Upside down. Tempura is you have to check on the sound. Bubble the bigger to getting the small bubble to getting bigger to the cooking. Because the inside the ingredients water to come up. So like a bubble is getting bigger. 8 minutes. Cut in the oil. So when you finish the tempura, all the time to the scan takes away because if you are getting oil too fast, it will damage. Right. Yeah, 麺を入れます。Tempura Udon for 2 people. Okay, it's done, finish. For the just tasting, and then for the cameraman too also makes just hungry. So we try it first. So let's make it for the tempura udon at your home. So enjoy your winter season, and then thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, and then we do that mostly for the every week or maybe 2 weeks, hopefully to upload in the YouTube. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye.